Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Financial Education. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your personal information using a written letter and how to use a phone call. That's a disclaimer. So let's start with the letter. Well, you're going to write a letter to the bureau. It can be Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. And you just need to put your address here, as you can see. On top of the letter, you're gonna put the date, your name, first and last name, your current address. So you're gonna address it to the bureau, and so the subject, you're gonna put the subject here, and then you're gonna obviously tell them what is the issue, how to what you need to be done. So here you're telling them the issue here, and here you're telling them what to be done. So very important. When you write a letter to those bureaus, since this is your account, so they cannot know your personal information better than you. So you're gonna tell them what you need to be on the personal information section of your credit report here. You're gonna tell them exactly what you need to be there. And so just copy this letter, and just reward it. So you can just copy and tap on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to reward it. So you don't have the exact same template, because obviously I have thousands of people that have already used this template, believe me. And I've used it. Obviously, I always, reward it. And yeah, but this is a very powerful letter. Don't forget to come back and make comment, because you're going to come and tell us how this is helping you. So at the bottom of the letter, sign here, and very important, attach the following documents. So your driver license, your social security card, and one of your utility bill. Can be your phone, it can be your gas, electricity, whatever it is. Anyway, your internet bill, just put it here. And so as you can see here, just put them on one file like this and scan it and attach to the letter and send it to the bureau. The next one is going to be how you can call them. You can call the bureau and tell them exactly what to do. So this is the phone number to call Equifax. So for Spanish speaker, they can use option 8. TransUnion, this is their phone number, and they also have courtesy for the Spanish speaker, which is option 2. Spain, this is their phone number. So this is the script of what you're going to tell them. When you call them, be professional and respectful. Don't be so nice. Just don't tell them what is wrong in your credit report. Is your report. So you're gonna tell them exactly how you need your legal name, your first and last name to be, and also you're gonna tell them to leave this blank. I mean, they're also known as former names. Tell them to leave it blank. Provide your date of birth in this format. Your current address, previous address, just ask them to leave it blank, nothing there. Employer, provide your current employer, and you need to list just one. If they talk about anything here, like have you ever lived at this address, just say you don't recognize that address. Yeah. And anything here that you don't want it on your credit report that they are asking you, you don't know this employer, just say no, I don't recognize that employer. That's it. And they're gonna have to take it out. So yeah, that's it. Obviously, when you call them, they're gonna have to identify you. They're gonna ask you your social, your name, your address, all those stuff before you guys can ever move forward. Yeah, that was it. It's so simple and quick. So, do you also want to know how to use the main bureaus? I mean, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion website to correct your personal information or your credit report? If the answer is yes, watch my video on how to use the main bureau's website to update personal information on credit report file. So if you need a copy of this template, the template letter I use here, just like, subscribe to this channel and leave a comment, and I will email it to you. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Let us know if you need other content like this one, and we will make it for you. If you have any questions, just put them in the comment section of this video, and we will take care as soon as possible. Thank you.